Next, find the area enclosed between y equal to 2 minus x square and y equal to x square. Y equal to 2 minus x square and y equal to x square. Write down. Given curves are y equal to 2 minus x square, y equal to x square. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Y equal to y. X square equal to 2 minus x square. 2 minus x square. X square plus x square equal to 2. 2x square equal to 2. 2 cancel. X value plus or minus 1. X value plus or minus 1. Therefore, required area integral minus 1 to 1 first curve minus second curve. First curve minus second curve. Minus 1 to 1. 2 minus 2x square dx. This is also an even function. Put x value minus x. So problem is same. Problem repeat with the plus symbol. So 2 into 0 to a. 2 into 0 to a value 1. 2 minus 2x square dx. Take 2 common. 4 into 0 to 1. 1 minus x square dx. X square dx. 4 into integral of one value x minus x cube by 3. X minus x cube by 3. Substitute the limits. Put x value 1. 1 minus 1 by 3. When x value 0, both values are zeros. So 4 into 2 by 3. 4 into 2 by 3. That equal to 8 by 3 square units. 8 by 3 square units. Next, find the next problem. Find the area between the curves. Y equal to x square plus 1. Y equal to 2x minus 2. X equal to minus 1. X equal to 2. Write down. Given curves are y equal to x square plus 1, y equal to 2x minus 2, given lines are x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2. So in this problem already given x values. So write directly. Therefore required area integral minus 1 to 2 modulus of x square plus 1, that is the first curve, minus second curve 2x minus 2, integral minus 1 to 2 x square minus 1 minus 2x plus 2 dx, minus 1 to 2 x square minus 2x plus 3 dx plus 3 dx. So take integral values. Take the integral values. X cube by 3, x cube by 3 minus 2 x square by 2 plus 3x from minus 1 to 2. First apply upper limit 2. 8 by 3 minus 4 plus 6. 8 by 3 minus 4 plus 6. Apply lower limit minus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 3. So 8 by 3 plus 2. 8 by 3 plus 2. Minus or minus plus 1 by 3 plus 4. 3 LCM. 8 plus 6 plus 1 plus 12 plus 12. 13, 19, 27. 27 by 3. 9 square units. 9 square units. 9 square units. Once again, already given limits minus 1 to 2. First curve minus second curve, multiply with minus x square minus 2x plus 3. Integral, take integral values x cube by 3, x square by 2 plus 3x. First upper limit value 8 by 3 minus 4, 3 into 2 6, minus half. Put x value minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube, minus 1 by 3, minus 1, minus 3. So this value is plus 2. This value is minus 4. Minus or minus plus 4. 3 LCM, 8 plus 6 plus 1 plus 12. Total answer is 27 by 3. 27 by 3 is 9 square units. 9 square units.